good. No, 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 okay, take a seat, I understand.
Hello, my people. I bring this video when I want try to talk about from London. From London, this lady, I believe, na Nigeria lady. Yes, na Nigeria lady. She entered bus from London. Then when he reach her stop, she want come down. The bus driver refused to refused to stop. Then this lady start to dey shout. First of all, this about a London box issue when they dey talk. I don't see a lot of people, they don't complain about this UK box. I believe UK now una colonize us as a English speaking country. Now una teach us how to speak English. I believe many of our governments, many of our law, we still collect from una hand. If those kind things they happen from UK, sometimes it break my heart. I can't even imagine something like this happen for France. And they discover and that bus driver go resign because there will camera dey inside box. I don't see this thing before. They'll say from UK, if bus driver see say you be black, you stand, you stand, you dey wait box. Bus driver no stop. Bus driver go blow pass. They say if white person dey in their midst, bus driver go stop. But if no white person, bus driver go blow pass. Haba, country wey don develop. Those people, may una start to dey see us as a human being like you guys. So we breathe the way you guys breathe. We reason the way you guys reason. We do things the way you guys do things. What is this sometimes? Why this racist of a thing? You guys see when Michael Jackson peel his skin, he look like white people. I believe it's too much of bullying. According to that one, because of his nose. But too much of bullying, it will contribute. He's not, anywhere he go, they always try to. Me, I'm proud of my skin. If you have any children, and you leave those abroad of a thing, always preach to your children, your skin is the best. In fact, be proud of yourself. Be proud of your skin. We are so beautiful in the whole world. Black are beauty. You can't even defend the beauty we are. Yes. Somebody like me, I don't make up. This is real. This is my natural face. We are so beauty without no makeup. We are beauty. If you want to see my real face, without this wadada I put on my head, go to Esther Family TV. Go and see me there. Go and see my beautiful children. We are beauty. Africa is beautiful. We are black Africa. We are beauty. We are human being God created with your own image. The way God loves you guys, that's the same thing God loves us. There is different sound in this world. There is white, there is black. God created us with his own love and, with his own image and love. Why those white people can't give us that the same respect you can give your fellow white people? Why can't you guys give it to us? We are human beings. We eat. We sleep the way you guys sleep. We have doctors. We have scientists. We have all kind of people you guys have. White people will come to Africa. We respect them. We welcome them like I don't know, like one of us. We respect them. We cherish them. Why can't you guys respect us? Love us the way we guys love you guys. Why? Why those? I know it's not all white. Some few white people who have racist spirits, racist blood. Why can't you guys respect us? We are human beings. We just migrate to America, Canada, UK, France. It doesn't mean we are not a human. There is other white people who migrate to Africa. It's time for UK to wake up for these things. UK, it's time for you guys to wake up. This thing got to stop. We are human. If they live in your country paying tax, you guys get to stop. The same tax those white people who this bus driver can stop for, the same tax you guys pay is the same tax those people who is working they pay. Why can't you guys respect us as a human being? Like all the days, I will not blame this my sister. I want to blame her before, but I say it like I will not blame you. It's one person that we know call people attention. Then we got to stop this. Like in America, all the days, those days, they say if a black man sits down on a chair inside train, inside box, then a white man or a white lady, he will walk in to the train or to the box. The black man or the black lady got to get up for a white man to sit down. Some of them, they don't even sit. They put their pet, their dog, on top of that, where that person stand up for you to sit down. They will put their pets to sit. One person stop it. I believe that is what will happen in UK. One person stop it. If you guys said you guys don't need white people, you guys don't need black people. Remember, there is white people in my country, Nigeria. I'm talking to my country now. There is white people doing well in my country. We need one another. Black can't do without white. White can't do without black. Many things white people are using to develop their country, they take it from Africa. If you can't respect me and you can't take me as a human being, why taking our things? If you don't want me in your country, why go to my country and pick things and bring it to your country and develop it and make use of it? We are human. God created us. Stop those rubbish. Stop those things you guys are doing. Because I believe this bus driver don't want to stop for this our sister to get down. And this our sister, press bear. There is a bear once you enter those abroad in box. Stop. They put it stop. Then you press. The bus driver will see it. The bus driver got to stop so that we get down. He refused to stop just because our skin. Just because this our sister's skin. He refused to stop. Then this our sister tell him that, undermine you are white, I'm dark, I'm black. I'm proud of myself. Then you need to give him woto. And I'm proud of him. I'm proud of her. Next time, he will learn how to respect. We are not animal. We are human being. The way you are human being, the same thing big to us, we the black people. We are human being. If you can respect your color, the same thing, give it to us. I believe it is your color. You will respect and stop that box. Kudos to you, sis. It's time for us to start voicing out. Because if you can do adult this thing, what about child who can speak? Maybe happening, you are the teacher in that school. Or you are a teacher, or you have access to children. Then government relocate you to take care of those black children. I can't imagine what those children will be passing through. If you can do it to a grown-up adult woman like that, you refuse to stop just because her color. We are beautiful. You can see me without no makeup. I don't make up. I'm beautiful. I just do my mouth. Once I remove this, my mouth still remains. I have red lip. We are so beautiful. If you want to see read me and my children, go to Esther Family TV. We are beautiful. I have beautiful children, black like me. Black is beautiful. What are you talking about? We are beautiful. And we the Africa, be teaching your children we are beautiful. Their color is the most beautiful. Because mostly we that live in this this country, this abroad, this abroad. Some of our children will jump the racist one. I'm not saying it's all of them. Some of them. Some racists. That we call their names. Always learn how to teach your children. They are the most beautiful on earth. We need to be proud of ourselves. Anybody should not treat us like we are not. We are somebody. Kudos to you, sis. Let's read comments when people they have been doing it. That is why I love to address this thing. They should stop. They should stop. Let me play it. I can play it. I hope you guys can watch it. I silence the bell. I silence the noise just because of YouTube policy. That noise, that voice is too much, okay? Because of YouTube. Probably buzzing several times and the driver refused to stop. You hear that? This commenter say, she don't press. Then the driver refused to stop for her. They don't already know. Maybe don't they hear this thing for UK? Like France, my city. I know France is white. But some things, they happen. But that driver, you not see him again. Mostly when government or the organize of the bus, everybody, they get their organized things, Once they will go look. If bus, they move safe. They track them. For my city, they track them. Sometimes there is a time when bus refuse to come for my bus stop. And the bus refused to come. People start to call bus office. Where's this box? They start to track. They find out say they sleep. He sleep for when bus turn around, they get place to rest like 5 minutes. Sleep take am. They track him. They track and people they call. It is time UK should wake up. Once bus don't not come, as far as they no be grave, they no announce it. Then you not see bus, you carry your phone, call bus station. They will answer you. Why UK not wake up? Why UK not they see all those things? You can go tell me say they know they hear all those things. Una no dey hear. Una say slave don't stop. We never see where the slave for stop. I never see where una they treat us like one. It's time for you guys to start treating us like one. We are human being. We are human being. This one said, this one think say now, downfall driver be this. You can take a Nigeria out of Nigeria, but you cannot take Nigeria out of a Nigeria. Yes, so you can take us out of Nigeria, but that Nigeria still there inside us. Now who they zuzu? You they zuzu. You want zuzu inside zuzu. Say as he be the bus driver. You just say nah, not trying also. Some of us, we just quiet. When we give you water, you go there 5 years. See as come be like cold water. Cause they do mule. No, you for handle for first now. And as you see that, say they do the thing finish, the eye go be like rat when fall inside water. They'll make the. Now, people, I need to stop here. I need to stop. UK, you guys gotta wake up. Careful, sis. Make them not take you back. Back to Naija. Oh, food don't cost to. Food don't cost to. Hey, my Naija. Oh, this person say, he said, careful, sis. Make them not take you back. Naija. Oh, food don't cost to. They say food don't cost to. They say make you be careful. Make them not go take you back to Nigeria. Before she dey display like this, you know, say she hold her side. Now I beg you. Now fear with the fear. Now I make those people they oppress us. Nigeria na country now. We get country. One day things go better. Almost she thinks she is in Nigeria. This one say, until they deport you. Oh, Nigeria. See, my people, I gotta stop here. If you not they read news, the news will just break on our table. They break. They say, make you not, if I make you not take calm like that, maybe I'll go try and go back to Nigeria. Yes, we first get home before we reach here. We not pray make the deport talks. But not still to forget, say, no be everybody when just jackpot, they don't get document. Some people jackpot with job. Some people jackpot with their, employment letter. You understand? You don't know how this lady take be. You now not be Nigeria. I beg, sometimes we also respect ourselves with our comments. Sometimes those comments, they'll read it. They follow our social media, those people so. As now they talk and they'll come go investigate, they'll come say she bam on how they know, see they'll come go put her for another person body. We should be very careful what we comment on this social media. Mostly something like this. Please. You know me say we poor or things they hard for our things hard for France that. Things hard. I know things hard. Just the different when it can be say Nigeria too over hard because our government they look into our economy, cost of things, how to add to salary, how to monitor things. Like France now, things high. At least they release check for their citizen. They release check. They know say things high. They try to add to salary, but now not sure say they don't put on. Those things now with the lack up from Nigeria. Now make us they look and say abroad. Everywhere hard. France hard. I can talk and say France hard. Last. He hard.
Now everybody go to breakfast.
I believe say this body are not trying to drop your opinion waiting you bring the balance for us. For me, she do it well. She not person to say praise Allah when you try to take a walk towards them. How
for the result
when you
to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me